Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this Cinemagraph in CapCut PC. So you can start by adding a video, maybe a video of you pouring a coffee or maybe a water or anything. And then you can just freeze the video. So go to where you want the freeze to start. So I'm going to start in here. And then here click on the video and tap on freeze and drag the freeze frame at the top like this, and then adjust the length to match with the video duration. And after that, click on the freeze frame and go to mask, choose the horizontal and adjust the position. Okay, I'm going to adjust the position here. Let's see the preview the result first. Okay, you need to click on invert, and this is the result. Okay, so I think it might work like this. So now the video will become like this. So the water doesn't pour into the glass. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks.